Imagine the open road stretching endlessly ahead, the horizon painted in shades of gold and amber, and right at the heart of it all, gliding in absolute luxury, the 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bay 34DB. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a moving masterpiece of American craftsmanship, where strength meets elegance and travel becomes a first-class experience. From the first glance, the Allegro Bay 34DB commands attention. Built on the powerful Freightliner S2 RV chassis, this motorhome isn't playing small. It's a diesel-powered symbol of precision, designed for travelers who expect nothing less than excellence. Step closer and you'll notice the custom paint, Tiffin's signature handcrafted full-body finish, deep and metallic, shining under the light. The detailing is immaculate. The lines are sleek yet muscular. Every inch says luxury that moves with purpose. Open the door, and you're instantly welcomed into a world that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. The craftsmanship hits you first: solid hardwood cabinetry, soft touch ceilings, and ambient lighting that sets the mood just right. Every curve, every corner is thoughtfully designed, not just for looks. The living area features ultra-leather seating with power recliners, a convertible dinette, and a massive panoramic window that makes every stop look like a picture frame. Whether it's a quiet sunrise by the lake or a night parked under city lights, the Allegro Bay turns every destination into an experience. Now let's talk about entertainment and technology. A smart RV deserves smart systems, and this Tiffin delivers. The multiplex control system gives you fingertip access to lights, slides, temperature, and even tank levels, all from one digital screen or your phone. A large smart TV, premium sound system, and hidden ambient LED strips turn evenings into cozy, cinematic escapes. And the kitchen, oh, it's pure perfection. A residential refrigerator, convection microwave, solid surface countertops, and induction cooktop make it feel like you never left home. Tiffin knows the beauty of fine details. Every cabinet, every drawer feels solid, refined, and beautifully integrated. Now, let's step deeper into this masterpiece. The heart of your home on wheels, the master suite. The bedroom inside the 2026 Allegro Bay 34DB isn't just a sleeping space. It's a sanctuary, the kind of place you want to retreat to after a long drive or a day of exploration. At the center, a luxurious queen bed with an optional king-size upgrade sits, wrapped in premium fabrics and layered comfort. Overhead, soft LED lighting adds a gentle glow, reflecting off polished cabinetry and a padded headboard that speaks the language of refined luxury. Turn slightly, and you'll see the craftsmanship that Tiffin is famous for: hand-built wardrobes, mirrored doors, and a full dresser setup. Every inch of space is used intelligently, offering storage for clothes, accessories, and even hidden compartments for valuables. The entertainment continues in the bedroom too. A mounted smart TV, there's even a backlit mirror and luxury faucet fixtures that would feel at home in a high-end hotel. The shower itself has a residential-style glass door, with enough room to actually move comfortably, a detail RV enthusiasts deeply appreciate. And yes, Tiffin didn't forget functionality. Every detail has been engineered to perfection. Hidden storage nooks, towel racks, built-in shelves. Even the vent fan is whisper quiet, preserving that peaceful ambience the Allegro Bay is known for. Now let's move forward to one of the most underrated yet thrilling parts, the cockpit. Sit down. Driving the Allegro Bay 34DB feels less like piloting a motorhome and more like gliding in a high-end tour bus. The 360 horsepower Cummins B6.7 diesel engine delivers immense power while maintaining a calm, quiet ride, even at highway speeds. Every turn, every acceleration feels composed, a perfect blend of control and grace. And while it's luxurious inside, it's built for real adventure. Tiffin equips the Allegro Bay with advanced suspension and braking systems to ensure safety and stability across any terrain. Whether you're heading through mountain passes, along coastal roads, or deep into scenic state parks, this rig handles it all effortlessly. But what really sets it apart is how livable it feels when parked. You can stay off-grid with confidence. With large freshwater and holding tanks and own an 8 kilowatts diesel generator, and a solar prep system, you're ready to live comfortably without hookups for days. The heating and driving the Allegro Bay 34DB feels less like piloting a motorhome and more like gliding in a high-end tour bus. The 360 horsepower Cummins V6.7 diesel engine delivers immense power while maintaining a calm, quiet ride, even at highway speeds. Every turn, every acceleration feels composed, a perfect blend of control and grace. And while it's luxurious inside, it's built for real adventure. Tiffin equips the Allegro Bay with advanced suspension and braking systems to ensure safety and stability across any terrain. Whether you're heading through mountain passes, along coastal roads, or deep into scenic state parks, this rig handles it all effortlessly. But what really sets it apart is how livable it feels when parked. You can stay off-grid with confidence. With large freshwater and holding tanks and own an 8 kilowatts diesel generator, and a solar prep system, you're ready to live comfortably without hookups for days. The heating and cooling system maintains perfect climate control, no matter where you are. Insulated walls, dual-pane windows, and high-efficiency ducting make it ideal for both summer heat and winter chills. And outside, it's just as breathtaking. An integrated power awning with LED lighting creates the perfect outdoor living space. There's an exterior entertainment center with a TV and speakers, ideal for watching a game or movie under the stars. Storage compartments all around the coach open up to reveal massive bays. Weather-sealed, lighted, and beautifully finished. Whether it's outdoor chairs, gear, or luggage, there's a spot for everything. As you step back outside, the sheer beauty of the exterior design takes over. The 2026 Allegro Bay 34DB stands tall with Tiffin's signature full-body paint, deep, elegant colors that shimmer under sunlight and glow under streetlights. The multi-layered protective coating ensures this coach looks brand new even after years on the road. You'll notice the subtle curves, the perfectly aligned body lines, and the flush-mounted windows that give it a streamlined, almost automotive look. Even when parked, it radiates a quiet sense of power, the kind that turns heads at every campground. Tiffin offers multiple paint schemes for the Allegro Bay 34DB, from rich metallic silvers and deep maroons to sleek whites and two-tone custom blends. Every finish looks like it was designed for a luxury yacht, not just a motorhome. Now, one thing that truly stands out about Tiffin's craftsmanship, it's not just what you see, it's what you feel. Open any door, any drawer, and you'll notice the precision. The sound of the hinges, the smoothness of the slides. It's all engineered to last. Tiffin doesn't cut corners. They build coaches that stand the test of time and still feel brand new even after hundreds of trips. The outdoor experience doesn't stop there. The power awning stretches wide, providing shade and shelter at the push of a button. Under it, the LED lights create the perfect ambience for a quiet evening. You can relax in comfortable chairs, enjoy a meal, or simply take in the view while your favorite music plays through the exterior speakers. And yes, there's an outdoor TV mounted behind a sleek compartment door, perfect for tailgates, family movie nights, or catching the sunset with a show on in the background. When it comes to connectivity, Tiffin makes sure you're always plugged into the world. With pre-wiring for Spacious counters have a cool, smooth touch. The induction cooktop heats quickly and safely. The convection microwave is large enough for real meals. And that refrigerator, a residential-style stainless unit, keeps everything cold and organized with ease. Every part of the layout flows beautifully. You can move from kitchen to lounge to bedroom without bumping into anything. The dual slide-outs expand the living area, making it feel open and inviting. And when it's time to wind down, you can draw the shades, recline in your theater seat, and enjoy that cinematic feeling only a Tiffin can deliver. Now, let's talk about the drive, because that's half the magic. The Allegro Bay 34DB doesn't just sit pretty. It moves with authority. Powered by a Cummins V6.7 diesel engine with 360 horsepower and 800 lb-ft of torque, paired with an Allison transmission, this motorhome glides down highways and climbs steep grades effortlessly. The air ride suspension smooths out every bump, while the automatic leveling system ensures stability at every campsite. Driving becomes not just comfortable, but enjoyable. You'll actually look forward to the road days. Safety, of course, is a Tiffin priority. Advanced braking systems, lane assist, multiple cameras, tire pressure monitoring, all integrated seamlessly. You're surrounded by technology that works quietly in the background, ensuring every journey feels secure. And the best part? Everything is designed for ease of use. Touchscreen controls, intuitive panels, and smart systems that automate leveling, lighting, and generator management. Even first-time owners can feel confident piloting this coach from day one. At its core, the 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bay 34DB isn't just about travel. It's about living the dream. It's a luxury suite on wheels, crafted for explorers who want more than just a place to sleep. They want a home that moves with them. And when you park it at your favorite overlook, doors open, awning out, breeze flowing through, you'll realize what makes this motorhome truly special. It's freedom without compromise, comfort without limits, luxury wherever you decide to stop. That's the magic of the Allegro Bay 34DB. And that's what Tiffin has perfected over decades of dedication to craftsmanship and innovation. So whether you're chasing sunsets, exploring national parks, or just taking that once-in-a-lifetime cross-country trip, the Allegro Bay